Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make a pasta salad today. It's very, very simple. We're going to make it with a lemon mayonnaise, a few other little bits in there. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook With. So I've got 3 cups here of cooked pasta. I'm using a little macaroni elbow, but you can use something different if you want. 2 cups of cucumber, cut nice and small. Cup of celery, cup or roughly a cup of bell peppers. A few little bits of green onion. There's 2 tablespoons there maybe to go in the mix. I'm using some fresh mint, which I think is fantastic in this, but if you wanted, put some parsley or something like that. And then we've got lemons. So we've got lemon juice there. That's the juice of 2 lemons, and that's the zest. I grated the skin off of that. And then some regular mayonnaise. There's about 3 tablespoons there, I would imagine. Okay, let's get moving. Very simple, very easy, delicious. So the first thing we're gonna do is get a mixing bowl. You can see the pasta's in there already. I'm gonna drop in my bell pepper, my celery, my cucumber. This is what I'm using. Of course, you could be using any amounts of vegetables you like. The green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. And then my fresh mint. Very simple. And then I've got a bowl here with my mayo in. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and black pepper. The zest of 2 lemons and the juice of 2 lemons. Adjust this exactly how you want. If you want, maybe a bit of garlic in there might work. And then we're just going to mix this up. We're going to get it over the salad. We're going to give it a mix. Job done. It's super easy. It's super, super delicious. So I've just beaten that till it's nice and smooth, as you can see. Really beautiful lemony mayo now, which goes in, and then we give it a little mix. Job done. There you go. Really nice and easy. Play around with the ingredients. Like I say, if you don't like celery, try some sweet corn or something like that, some different vegetables. Just go in whatever direction you want. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.